Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this HUAWEI. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration over here. Then you can tap on Vibration right away, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. After that, scroll down, click on Notification Tone over here, and tap on Vibration at the top. Now you can select one of those vibration patterns for your incoming notifications by clicking on the best one for you, like long, or disable them completely by choosing none. When you're ready, click on the back button twice. Then tap on More Settings and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to switch off or on vibrations for your incoming calls. Lastly, you can enable or disable System Haptic Feedback by clicking on this switcher next to System Haptics. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!